let me show you how to add Gmail account to Yahoo Mail. So this is very easy to do. All we want to do is come up to the little cog here in the top right hand corner. This is the settings. Then you want to come down and select more settings. Now you want to come to mailboxes on the left hand side. Then come down and select add mailbox. Now you'll be able to add any of these mailboxes here, and if none are listed what you want, you can select other. But as we want Google and Gmail, we'll select Google here. Then you'll need to enter your email address and log in to your Gmail account. So that's how to easily add a Gmail account to your Yahoo Mail. If you found this video helpful, don't forget, smash the like and subscribe to more helpful videos like this one.